Okay, Alice. Favourite movie moment?
Okay, well that's easy. You know the final line in Ghost, where Patrick Swayze turns to Demi Moore and he says, "The love inside you, Molly, you take it with you." It gets me crying every time.
That's lovely.
What about you?
The bit in Aliens?
Oh, yeah.
You know the bit when they're all in the canteen and the android does that trick with a knife. You know, he splays his fingers out as wide as he can and he gets the knife and he starts stabbing between his fingers, you know, as fast as he can.
Yeah, that's amazing, that scene.
I can do that.
No, you can't.
I can!
Bullshit.
No bullshit. Give me the knife. Come on.
Okay. Wow. Still the film? Yeah, I don't remember this bit.